The stock market is a financial marketplace that enables individuals and institutions to purchase and sell shares or ownership stakes in publicly traded companies. It serves as a platform for companies to raise capital by selling shares to investors and allows investors to potentially profit from the company's performance and the overall movements of the stock market. Stock prices are influenced by various factors, including company performance, economic conditions, investor sentiment, and more. It plays a crucial role in the global economy and is a key component of investment and wealth-building strategies for many individuals. To potentially profit from the stock market, it is important to educate oneself on how it works, including different investment options, risk factors, and investment strategies. There are numerous resources available, such as books, courses, and online materials, to aid in learning about investing. Additionally, setting clear financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon is crucial in determining the appropriate strategy. Diversifying one's portfolio by investing in a mix of different assets is also important to spread risk. This can be achieved through mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or by selecting a variety of individual stocks. Before investing, it is essential to conduct research and analysis on companies. This includes examining their financials, management team, competitive position, and industry trends.